Finding your way in English. Mastering prepositions of direction, from. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into the world of English prepositions, specifically focusing on prepositions of direction. Our star of the day is the preposition, from. This little word plays a big role in expressing direction, origin, and separation. So, let's get started. From is a preposition used in English to express the starting point of an action or a movement. It can refer to place, time, or situation. This versatile preposition helps to build a picture of where, when, or how something began. For example, you might say, I am flying from New York to London, or, I received a gift from my friend. In both instances, from tells us the origin or starting point. Let's look at a few more examples. Place. We are traveling from Paris to Rome. Time. I work from 9 to 5. Situation. He recovered from illness. The preposition, from, can also show the cause of something. Like, cause. She died from a rare disease. Now, it's time to practice what you've learned. Try to fill in the blanks with, from, where it makes sense. We'll go through the answers together. 1. I am reading a book ____ my local library. 2. We drove ____ California ____ Nevada. 3. He suffered ____ dehydration. Pause the video here to give yourself time to answer. Ready for the answers? 1. I am reading a book from my local library. 2. We drove from California to Nevada. 3. He suffered from dehydration. How did you do? Well done, everyone. Today we've explored the preposition, from, understanding its uses and practicing with some exercises. Remember, prepositions can be tricky, but with consistent practice, they'll become second nature. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll continue our exploration of prepositions of direction. Happy learning!